Hey, what is going on guys? Techthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10e against the Xiaomi Mi 9. Both of these phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU, they both have 6GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So both of the phones finished at the same time. However, the Mi 9 scored overall higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 9 scored higher on every single category, but not by much. So that is the end of this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing as I have more videos coming up. The next video will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S10e, the Snapdragon version, against the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the Exynos version. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release that video. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.